Chairman of PAC and Chairman of the Budget Committee here. I think Parliament has power. Section 117 to 119 talks about the power of Parliament, and in going through these reports, you then ask, but why do we even pass the budget? Why do we pass the budget? And I'll be very clear on that bad governance implementation of the recommendation is not done. Basically, the president is presiding over a dysfunctional government, a corrupt government. That's what it is. You can't put it any better. The president is presiding over a corrupt government because the Auditor General's office is critical in interrogation. And in interrogating all this, everything is pointing out to the negative. And I think the only way forward is also to invite the president in a motion in Parliament to come and respond to why his government has not implemented recommendations coming from Parliament itself, from the various committees, and from the Auditor General's office. So it really renders government dysfunctional. You also have a situation where the Public Financial Management Act is very clear about quarterly reports coming before Portfolios Committee. And yes, we are here. Some are chairpersons of the Portfolio Committee, but why do you then pass the budget for that ministry? I mean, I would say to the chairman of the Budget Committee, who is the Honorable Nyashan, why do you pass the budget in finance when all these indicators show that they're doing well? He is very competent. Then we go to, does the ruling party which governs allow that? We go back to the whipping system. While Honorable Nyashan has pointed out this issue, they then go to a party caucus on Wednesday and said, oh, if we ever try and do this, we're exposed. But again, the whipping system I'm talking about is an impediment in terms of governance and democracy. Because when we're elected as members of Parliament, we must represent the nation in terms of the interest. So the question here lies, why do parliamentary committees pass budgets with all these indicators? Why? So it comes back to Parliament that we are stupid, to be honest with you. We are foolish. We are incompetent at the end of the day. Not only that, we do pass budgets to ministries which even spend more money than us. We pass budgets to the executive, yet we ourselves don't even get what they get from an oversight point of view. Why am I bringing this up? You cannot have parliamentarians suffering by passing budgets of judges to Range Rovers, the executive to have 2 cars each, a Mercedes-Benz and off-road. So how do you exercise your role if you're poor, if you're incapacitated? Finally, the Minister of Finance is a circus because we pass a budget and yet 30% of what we pass is allocated. So that breeds corruption on its own because people are not getting enough. For 2 hours, for 30 minutes. An hour, 30 hours, for 2 hours. So there's a shortfall. And what happens in the shortfall? These are the repercussions. So there is no discipline for the Minister of Finance in adhering to what would have been passed. We burn midnight candles to pass the budget, but what comes out of it is totally rubbish. It's a dysfunctional government at the end of the day, because inflation is hitting us. As you heard that it does not come to Parliament for condonation, so they're just spending. Devolution money is issued without the law being followed, without a bill. So, it's a government full of corruption, which the president is presiding over, unfortunately. And how we can get through to it is to invite him to Parliament through a motion to say, we've done our part as Parliament, but the executive is falling short from implementing these issues. Actually, was very polite. Out of the money which the SSP has recorded, and for example, gave of Parliament, they said that these ghost workers It's smart enough to get the Auditor General to say what percentage are the ghost workers. It cannot be blank. So we are still even entertaining ghost workers at the end of the day. The Public Financial Management Act is very clear that you cannot pay until it is delivered. So what gives you the appetite to pay advance when there's no delivery? It can only be corruption because you're benefiting. So Parliament is power, and Parliament must exercise its powers and make sure that we don't pass the budget until corrective measure has been taken, because we are also be blamed for being an associate of corrupt tendencies. That's all I can say.